factor 4x to the fourth minus 16x squared. So our first step is to determine whether we have a common factor and factor out our greatest common factor. So here we're going to have our greatest common factor. We have 4x to the fourth minus 16x squared. So our coefficients, we have 4 and we have 16. So we can see that our greatest common factor will be 4 because 4 is a multiple of 4 and 16 is a multiple of 4. So here we can write 4 and x. With the variable, our greatest common factor is the variable with the smaller exponent. So here it's x squared. So now we're going to factor out x squared from both terms. So when we do that, we get 4x squared. So now 4x, we have 4 here and we have 4, so we're fine. So now here we have x squared and here we have x to the fourth. So what do we have to multiply x squared by to get x to the fourth? Well, that's x squared. Minus, here we have 4 and here we have 16. What do we have to multiply 4 by to get 16? So that's 4. And now we're done. So now we're going to look at this term. We can see that we have the difference of two squares. So what we're going to do is factor this out. So the difference of two squares is x squared minus 2 squared. So remember that a squared minus b squared is the same as a plus b times a minus b. So now we get x minus 2 times x plus 2. So now we can combine our terms. Here we have 4x squared times x minus 2 times x plus 2. So that's our answer. We can check to see if we have any factors with more than one term that can be factored further. But looking at this is it.